In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel channel subscriptions on Amazon Prime Video. If you've subscribed to add-on channels and need to manage your subscriptions, follow along as I walk you through this straightforward process. First and foremost, what you want to do is make sure you're logged into your Amazon account that holds the subscription you wish to cancel. It's important to be on the correct account because subscriptions are linked directly to the account where they were initially activated. Go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to Amazon's website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. After accessing your account, place your cursor over Account and Lists in the upper right corner of the page. When the drop-down menu appears, click on Memberships and Subscriptions. Alternatively, you can head directly to the Prime Video channels or Manage Subscriptions section if you have the link for it handy. Now that you're in the right place, look for the section labeled Prime Video Channels or Your Channels. This is where you'll find all the channels you're currently subscribed to. Carefully scan through the list to locate the specific channel you want to cancel. Once you've found it, look for a button or link next to the channel name that says Cancel Channel, or, in some instances, Cancel Subscription. Click that link. At this point, you'll typically encounter a prompt asking you to confirm your decision. Confirm that you truly want to go ahead with canceling the subscription. Do bear in mind that after you cancel, you'll generally still retain access to the channel until the end of the current billing cycle. This means you can continue enjoying your content until your next billing date arrives, ensuring you get the most out of your final period of access. Keep an eye on your inbox because you'll receive a confirmation email, which will include details such as the official end date of your access to the channel. There are a couple of important things to note regarding this process. Canceling a channel subscription does not affect your Amazon Prime membership, as these two are separate entities, so feel assured that your Prime benefits remain intact. Also, it's worth mentioning that Amazon typically doesn't provide refunds for the unused portion of a billing cycle when you cancel a channel. That means it's generally a good practice to time your cancellations towards the end of your billing period to make full use of your subscription. One last tip. People often find it more convenient to manage or cancel their subscriptions using a web browser compared to the Amazon mobile app. Some users have reported that not all subscription options might be visible on the app, so using a browser can simplify the process. That's it for today's guide on canceling a channel on Amazon Prime Video. I hope this helps keep your subscription list exactly as you want it. Happy streaming!